morning, folks. We're here this morning picking up some tractors. I forgot the name of this distribution center over here in Maryland, but I'm waiting for my piece to come out. I think we're picking up one piece, a brand new tractor. Make me want a brand new tractor after looking at these things, man. But yeah, we're just waiting for him to come upload me over here. I should be getting my stuff prepared like this guy here, but I'm having a lazy morning where I just don't feel like doing nothing right now. So I'll get her strapped down once it arrives, but hopefully we're not picking up multiple pieces. But yep, that's what we're doing this morning, so I'll let you know once it arrives. I think that's my piece right there. I don't know if I'm getting one or two. All right, guys, just finished getting loaded here, and I'm checking all my stuff and make sure that this guy loaded up the equipment on the trailer exactly 102 wide. And I don't get it when I'm loading these tractors at these shippers, especially if they load it. It's always like an argument for them to like adjust it to get the equipment right centered on the trailer. And I'm talking to this guy and going back and forth with him, and as you can see in the video, I'm showing him how I want the tractor to be exactly in line with the trailer. And I'm showing him, hey, you know, look at this tractor and this other truck right here. I want mine to be dead center, just like that one. And you know, they finally fix it, but it's just going back and forth. It's not necessarily, but Anyways, we got it loaded up here. We strapped it down, and I'm about to show you here in the next clip, and on the way to deliver it. Boy, they working me. This is why I gotta change your clothes every time. This chain's done got my damn clothes all dirty, so you always gotta have a change of clothes when you're out here working on these equipment, guys. But anyways, my load here is some kind of a John Deere tractor. Put the one chain right here on the hydraulic bucket. Put 2 chains in front. And also, guys, remember you don't want your chains touching. So I put a little piece of rubber piece that goes in there. And I also put 2 chains pulling it back, as you can see here. And I put another 2 more chains in the back. You guys always want to make sure you inspect your load when you're picking up a piece of equipment like this. Make sure all the lights are tucked in, all the mirrors are tucked in, you don't see nothing leaking, you know, nothing scratched. You know, let's go look on the other side. There was nobody here when I first came in, and all of a sudden all these trucks want to pull up. Gotta close that door here. Just make sure you do your final walk around. Right there. I don't have to worry about too much to exhaust. I don't have a smoke pipe. I mean thing to cover it, so I don't have to worry about that too much. But my chains there. Make sure nothing's didn't get loose. And I have to go down this road here, going to Oklahoma. Well, Oklahoma City, right outside Oklahoma. It's looking pretty good. So let me go get a change of clothes and get on down this road. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the videos. Let me know how you guys feel about them. Woo! That was a long journey, boy. From I think where we picked up in Maryland, Oklahoma, outside Oklahoma City. But we got it there nice and safe. We're about to unchain this load here and get it off the truck for the next one. So
Boom shakalaka boom. So we're all done on strapping, so he's backing it up right now so we can get the heck out of here. Hope he knows what he's doing. I think he knows what he's doing. Oh, my baby. See that? Not good. I should have spread my axles. Yeah, I don't like this. I should have spread my axles when they're offloading it, when they're loading and offloading it. Pretty much it, guys. Pretty much it. Job well done. So we are out of here. They let me delivered late to this facility. I'm gonna go finish putting up my chains, my binders, all my equipment, get my bill signed, and we're off to the next one. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I don't know if you find this helpful or knowledgeable, but that's how we do things here. Peace. See you in the next one.